Welcome to our new video. In today's video, we will talk about something which is very much in the news recently. Let us talk about cryptocurrency or Bitcoin, which is in the news recently and now also.
Yeah. Bitcoin has been in the news. It is still in the news, and other cryptocurrencies are also in the news. But Bitcoin is in news, very much in the news actually. So before we get into examining why it is in the news, let us do a recap of what is Bitcoin, what is cryptocurrency, and what's the technology behind that. So we had made few videos on cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, blockchain, mining, and all sort of thing in the past. So if you want to get more details of this process and these concepts, you may please watch them. Now the recap will be very quick. See, Bitcoin is the first cryptocurrency coin in the world. It was created in 2007 2008 period, and blockchain technology was created to create Bitcoin cryptocurrency. And the blockchain was used to create other cryptocurrencies also, like Ethereum and Ripple, and so many are there. Hundreds of cryptocurrencies are there in the market now. So, but with a lot of differences in protocols and all. And the blockchain technology has found a lot of other use cases. I mean, other than in cryptocurrency, like finance sector, banking, supply chain management, healthcare, and of course, cryptocurrency, NFT, and all. And it's of course the largest use case, the biggest, the top two use case of blockchain is still the cryptocurrency and NFTs. So Bitcoin is also the largest, is still the largest cryptocurrency in the world as of now, and Ethereum is actually the second, but way behind Bitcoin. Okay, now let's examine why Bitcoin has been in the news in the recent times, or is still in the news in the recent times. So because it has surged beyond a particular psychological benchmark or a or a milestone. So about a value of 1 lakh US dollar or 100,000 US dollar. Okay, so that's a big milestone, big benchmark. So that is why it has been in the news. So if you look at Bitcoin has increased its value by 50% after Trump uh, uh, won the election. Okay, and it increased its value by 1,000% in the last 1 decade. Um, is something very unprecedented, meaning even gold has not increased its value by that percentage. Okay, so now let us examine why the reason such. Okay, one major reason is Trump's victory, because Trump was totally against cryptocurrency in his last term campaign. He called it scam. Okay, but in the current one, he took a very positive, supportive stand to his cryptocurrency, and he's declared that he would make US the cryptocurrency capital of the world. Okay, and he said he would create strategic reserves, federal reserves, using Bitcoin and other currencies. And then another thing is he has a lot of people, in his administration or as his advisors, who are pro cryptocurrency. Now look at Elon Musk, who is one of his close associates in the moment, and he himself promoted a coin named Dogecoin. Okay, and he is now leading. along with Vivek Ramsamy, a department under he will be under Trump administration named Department of Government Efficiency. The abbreviation of that is DOGE. It is I don't think it is incidental. It is very deliberate naming of the department. Now, another one is the appointment of Paul Atkin, a pro cryptocurrency enthusiast, as the SEC chair. SEC is Securities and Exchange Commission, which is the counterpart of India's SEBI. Okay, and it has reached this the last week. It surged around to near to 1,08,000 or 100,000, 8,000, 108,000 US dollar. Okay, and but it just came down. It came down to something like 92,000 US dollar at the end of the last week, but it has again come back. Now it's around. It's not close 1 lakh, but it is almost near to 90s. 1 lakh or 100,000 US dollar mark. See now, lot of pundits, lot of cryptocurrency experts predict that this coin would become a 1 million coin in the next few years. Okay, and that is something unprecedented, if you say. So some of the reasons is that one of the reason why this would happen. Okay, before that, let's see why this has come down in between. The reason was, Fed Reserve said, they would not be making a lot of, reserves with, big reserves with Bitcoin. That's one. Now, another one is actually the interest cut declared by Fed Reserve. Okay, and now the about the prediction that it would reach 1 million coin. See what could be the reason being. See, unlike other assets, for example, see fiat currency, meaning the normal currency like US dollar, euro, pounds, Indian rupees. They are the central government along with the central banks can print these currencies, right? Subject to some provisions, subject to some rules of the country. And gold, for example, has always a reserve. Okay, so what happens when the gold prices goes up, they produce more gold to bring the price down and so on. Okay, and that is what. But in case of cryptocurrency, especially the Bitcoin, you know that Bitcoins are created more. Added through mining process. So you may know. Just visit our video to understand what is mining process. So mining is a process of creating new coins, no new bitcoins, as a reward for participating in the protocol of validating and verifying a transaction. Okay. Now, in Bitcoin, what happens? Other than this mining process, no additions happen. Nobody prints or nobody mints the bitcoins or any other coins. So every 4 years, they have this supply, and there is a cap actually. There is a cap meaning this Bitcoin will have a maximum of coin supply in the world. So after that, it will cease. Cease in the sense there won't be no more addition to the Bitcoin numbers. Okay, so it is limited, meaning it is not abundant in the sense it is not unlimited or it is not infinite. So it will cease at some point in time. This will, if it when it reaches the cap, it will stop adding new coins. So that is one of the reasons that people say that the Bitcoin will become a 1 million coin and so on. Okay. Anyway, let's see now. We will have to see what happens in the next year because after Trump takes over the administration in 2000, January, um, people say it will reach 1.5 lakhs in February, and then it will be 2 lakhs in the next end of the year. I mean, by during the year, and then end of this decade, it will be 1 million and all. Okay, let's see what happens. I mean, how this will work. And see, one more thing we need to understand here is, see, many of the countries in the world have not accepted Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies as a legal currency or legal asset. Okay, and China has even banned cryptocurrencies, and US has accepted some form because it's actually now being traded on the exchange. Like SEC has actually allowed trading of bitcoins on the exchanges, and there are some, but still it is not a legal currency. It's not a legal. I mean, it's not. It is a lot of limitations actually. The European countries so, India is so, and even though some countries like India tax a certain transaction or and all, it has long way to go before it becomes a very legal assets or a currency. Okay, but this US attitude or US steps, especially after Trump takes over, will go a long way because it will make it more authentic and more credible asset in US, and that will make other countries also follow suit in the coming years. Okay, so we'll have to see how it will work because many countries sees that many countries are actually creating reserves using cryptocurrency, I mean Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies to guard against inflation and the economic slides. Actually, that's what is happening. They see that this is a very strategic reserve which can they build on. Anyway, let us wait and see. Um, how it will be in the coming years, especially after Trump launches his government.
Thank you so much for watching our video. We will be back soon. Till then, bye.
Thank you.